Hi, I'm Christopher Marland, Snowflake Solutions Architect here at Aimpoint Digital, and also a Snowflake Data Superhero. In this video, our fifth in the Cortex LLM function series, we're going to be looking at the sentiment function. Now, if you have review data, survey data, it can be quite helpful to get an indication of the sentiment of the responder. Now, doing that manually is probably quite a daunting exercise. You could have thousands upon thousands upon thousands of answers. And so what you can do instead is in Snowflake, within a select statement, you can use the sentiment function, and it will give you an indication between -1 for very negative and +1 for very positive of the sentiment of that response. So if that sounds helpful, let's go and start playing around.
So if you've been watching the previous videos in this series, and no judgment if you haven't, but maybe you should, you'll notice that we are using a different data set this time. This time we are using some reviews that are generated. They're not actual real reviews, so I don't owe anyone any royalties. And these are the reviews of our top 10 grossing films. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create this table. No need to look at it because we can see it quite clearly in front of us. And we're going to analyze the sentiment of these reviews. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select from movie reviews. And what I want to select is the title, the review, and then we're calling the sentiment function. So that's a Cortex function, and therefore it is called a bit like a UDF, has a database, has a schema, and then you can call it from there. Okay, so snowflake.cortex.sentiment. I'll put in the review. That's the only thing we need to put in there. And I'm going to alias that as review sentiment. Okay, so let's have a read and see how it judges our sentiments. Okay, so Gone with the Wind is a landmark in film history, noted for its grandiose production and significant cultural impact. However, its controversial depictions and lengthy runtime can be challenging for contemporary viewers to fully appreciate. So let's put it as 0.06. So that's judging it as a fairly neutral judgment. With Avatar, while Avatar excels in visual effects, the storyline feels derivative and cliched. The characters lack depth and the dialogue is often simplistic. It's a film that prioritizes spectacle over substance, leaving little lasting impact beyond its impressive aesthetics. So that's quite negative. Scored that, minus 0.26. Feels generous to me, but there we are. And then, so the most positive seems to be The Sound of Music. So Sound of Music is a charming, uplifting musical with memorable songs and a heartwarming story. Julie Andrews' performance is delightful, and the picturesque Austrian settings enhance the film's enchanting atmosphere. It's a timeless family classic. Yeah, it probably is 0.7. But yeah, that's it. Very, very simple function, and obviously a lot of great use cases for us. You are now officially experts in the sentiment function.
So thank you for watching this video in our Cortex series. If you liked it, please do like and subscribe. And I very much look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you very much.